Good morning guys, so this is me, the one. So today I'm going to show you how to make a redstone door, a easy redstone door. So all we need is this, of course a black, any kind of black, a redstone torch, a stone pressure plate, and also a sticky piston. That's all. So you have to dig two blocks, and then dig this, then dig again, dig, and place a red switch, and also here, and place a redstone there. There we go, and put some redstone torch there. Now I have to this any kind of black. I just like I said, and put some redstone above it. Now that's and put some sticky piston. If you want to make 3, you can, but me I will. If you want to make only 2 piston, you can, but me I want 3 piston torch. That's it, and put some black here, and also a stone pressure plate. You can use anything. I tried to use any kind of pressure plate, but only this stone pressure plate will do. Now and if you like just like that, and put some black here. Yeah, that's cool. And yes, so guys, bye bye. Thanks guys for watching this video. This is my first video, and guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye guys.